welcome on board for the orientation program, Certified Supply Chain Management Professional, cscmp. There are around, we will take around 30 minutes time, plus minus 25 to 30 minutes. And during this period, we will share a presentation on the insight of the course and the course administration procedure. And of course, if you have any questions so far, we will try to answer those questions as well. So let me share my screen. It may take around 10 minutes for this presentation. And after that, we will come back to the question and answers if you have. So that is World Academy. World Academy is a UK-based organization. Our website address is worldacademy.uk. And we are ISO 21001 certified organization. It means education management system we do have. And that is our global affiliation. We are working globally around 57 countries. We are offering programs. We are the approved center by Cambridge Academy of Professional, approved center by Prof. Qual, then the provider of HRCIS, HRM, and LTD. And this course, cscmp, is being validated by Cambridge Academy of Professionals, UK. We are the accredited institute by International Professional Accreditation Council, which is a Singapore-based organization. We are a SHRM academically aligned institute, and we are the member for CPD certification service. We are partnering with Singapore Training and Development Association, and we do have 2 other organizations. That's our global affiliation. That is the course you have been enrolled for. cscmp, Certified Supply Chain Management Professional, validated by Cambridge Academy of Professional UK, and that is the certification awarding body. These are the features for this course. There will be a pre-course assignment, 10 live sessions virtually, 2 hours each session. Every Friday there will be session. The session time is around 8 p.m. Bangladesh time or 2 p.m. GMT. 30 minutes later than today. We have this orientation 30 minutes ahead for the ahead of the regular session time. But regular session time is 8 to 10 or 2 to 4 p.m. GMT. There will be in-session exercises and one capstone project. At the end of the course, there will be a project work, the final assignment you need to submit, and one final exam you need to attend. That's a written exam. The cscmp of World Academy, why it is important? There will be job-oriented learning, highly connecting with the job market or the activities you need to do as a supply chain professional in the organization. Focus on competency framework, extensive practice during the course. You will get extensive practices during the course. Simulation exercises, we will do some exercises as well. Equipped with tools and formats, couple of tools and formats we will be sharing with you. Online live session.
No.
Global resources. 10 practical focused session, total 10 sessions, 4 months duration, live online class, Friday only, 8 to 10 p.m., online exam, and live interaction through learning management system. Also, you can chat with us live. These are the modules, 12 modules total. Number 1, understanding the supply chain. Very much concept. Samson, we will come back to you. Just let me finish the presentation, please. Module 1, the basic about the supply chain. Module 2, business competitiveness through supply chain. How can you compete in the business environment? How supply chain can contribute? And then in module 3, supply chain modeling. So there are a couple of modeling styles in the supply chain. So in the module 3, it will be discussed. In module 4, linking the customer, that is called demand management. How can you manage the demand in the organization. So that will be discussed under the module 4. Module 5, managing the supply base, focusing on procurement and supply management. So module 4 is the demand management and 5 is the supply management. 6, warehouse and inventory management. That is another very, very important part for the entire supply chain issues. So that will be discussed under module 6. 7, logistics, distribution and transport management. Another very, very, core part of total supply chain management. So up to module 7, you understand that the entire supply chain issues have been discussed. It is the structural part, it is the execution part. And in module 8, make it optimized. You have the entire system in the supply chain. Now you are giving some advanced level. What is that? Cost optimization. How can we make it optimized in terms of the cost? Module 9, measuring performance, supply chain performance. How much it is efficient in your organization. How much effective your supply chain management is. Then module 10, supply chain risk management. What are the risks available? What are the risks? What do you need to focus on? What do you need to concentrate to minimize those? So that will be discussed under module 10. 11, e-commerce and information technology. Both are very emerging sectors nowadays. Now you can see globally, e-commerce is in very, very usable methods for purchase and procurement. So e-commerce and IT, the information technology, how it can affect the entire supply chain issues. And finally, module 12, emerging trends in supply chain management. 10 years back, what was supply chain? 5 years back, how it can be shifted. Now, what are the major changes occurred? And after 5 years, what will be after 10 years? How can we face? So these are the trends that will be discussed under module 12. So these are the 12 modules you will be taught during this entire course in 10 sessions. All right. The course administration, there will be review and question answer session, final assignment you need to submit, final exam. One very important point, course recording will not be shared. So the class will be recorded, but we will not share the class recording with you. However, there are video tutorials, pre-recorded video tutorials, but make sure the video tutorial have been developed by other trainers as well, so that the class and the video may not be matching always. Then opportunity to attend the makeup exam free at cost. There will be 2 attempts for exam. First attempt, scheduled exam, you can attend. If in any case you cannot attend the first attempt or you fail, then you will get the second chance without any further fees. And class material we will share within 1 or 2 days time after the class. Suppose in the Friday, the class will be on Friday, the material will be available by Saturday or hardly by Sunday. Class notification and exam notification will be shared through WhatsApp group. There will be a WhatsApp group for this batch. So you will notified. And then due to the trainer's emergency, sometimes class may be postponed. It can happen due to the emergencies of the trainer. And all the materials we will share through learning management system. We will not share any material through email, through WhatsApp, nothing. Everything will be available on the learning management system dashboard. And another important is class may not be conducted with the sequence of the module. As I showed you, module 1 to 12, class may be, suppose in the third class, maybe on the module 8, something like that. We always try to maintain the schedule, but sometimes the assigned trainers, if he or she is busy, then we postpone the session, we reschedule the classes. Opportunity to attend the first makeup exam, I told you. Electronic certificate. You will receive the electronic certificate within 1 or 2 weeks after the grades are published. After result publication, final result publication, within 1 to 2 weeks time, you will get your electronic certificate. And the digital badge you will also receive during this period within the 10 days after the result publication. And the printed certificate, we will be issuing 3 times in a year. Okay. So in January, in May, and in September, these are the 3 months where we will be issuing your printed certificate towards your country. So that if your course is being completed by December, then you will receive your, if your result is published by December, then you may receive the certificate in January. But if it is completed in January, you need to wait till the next slot of April. But if anyone having any emergency to receive the printed certificate, they can take it through the extra courier fees at actual. There will be pre-course assignment for learning purposes, written exam, assignment, capstone project. These are the learning methods. That is the assessment framework, the scoring options. For attendance, there are a couple of marks, 100, in-session activity, 200 marks, final exam, 200 marks, and capstone project, 200 marks. Total 700 marks. Qualifying marks is 70%. So that's about the, details of the course, insights and administration. Samson Ike Gulvi, you raised your hand earlier. Can you please ask the question? No. All right. Anyone having any question in mind? Johnson, want to ask anything? Samson, do you want to ask anything? Okay. The notification for class, the first class will be on 1st December. Yes, the orientation recording we will share with you. We will share the orientation recording with you. The first class will be on 1st December. Make sure the class will be on 1st December. Before the 1st December, what will be, you need to submit the pre-course assignment, and you will find it in your learning dashboard, and you will receive a YouTube channel link where you will find all the video tutorial how to operate the learning management system. Johnson, the benefits of the course, I told you that that is the global certification, and it shows that your credibility in the areas of supply chain management. That is a credential. No, from HF, you cannot record the class recording, and we will not share the class recording. If you miss the class, you will receive the PDF material in the portal. So you need to go through that material. And if anyone having any question, then they can ask the question through the learning management system. Okay.
Yes, good afternoon. Thank you for having us today. I just wanted to ask one question, which is on regard to the pre-assessment module. I just want to have a clear understanding of how it works. Is there a minimum, let's say, a mark expected from it, from which the student might not be qualified to participate in this course? Just to have a better understanding of how it works, basically. And thank you.
Pre-course assignment means you need to submit it, and you need to complete this assignment based on your present expertise. So it is nothing connected with the assessment. It is for the learning purposes, and the instructor will understand your level. That's it.
Okay, thank you so much. Second question from my end, I also would like to understand from the dates in which, let's say, the instructor will not be available to conduct the lessons? How are we going to manage those dates? And will it not mean that we'll be extending the current course duration from the 4 months to an extra, or we'll try to reallocate the lessons within one of the days of the week?
No, actually, you see, for 4 months, there will be a 16 weeks, but there are 10 weeks class. So that there are some buffer weeks in hand. So hopefully, we will not exceed the 4 months duration. But what I said, suppose we make a schedule for 10 weeks. So in some cases, one week the class has been postponed, so it will go on the 11th week or 12th week, something like that. So it cannot affect the total completion time.
Okay, thank you. The last one from my end. Just want to understand, after passing the exam, does it grant you the certification, or you still have to go through another assessment to be certified?
No, I mean, I showed the scoring framework. There are a couple of items to be assessed. Your activities during the class, then the examination, then the assignment or capstone. Once you complete all these and you acquire 70% marks altogether, then you will be qualified as cscmp and you will receive the certificate.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you very much. Samson, you want to ask anything?
Yes. Yeah, I want to ask 2-3 questions.
Please.
Yeah, my first questions basically is on qualification. Are you considering O level, maybe any paper from any recognized institution, a college?
That is this qualification awarding body is Cambridge Academy of Professional, which is an UK-based certification awarding body.
Okay. Okay. Are you exempting any course?
No, we will not exempting any course for this qualification. You need to qualify through all these courses. What we are launching, okay. Right? Like all these modules, you need to attend. You need to pass the exam. You need to pass the assignment, and then you will be awarding the certificate.
Somebody is having a diploma in accounting or in pharmacy, or someone is just having a certificate. That's his lowest paper. Are you taking them as the same in terms of papers that have qualified them?
For this course, you need to have experience, right? So okay. the academically, even if you're in the 12th grade, but if you have experience of 5 years, 10 years in the supply chain areas, that can qualify for attending this course. But for qualifying this course as cscmp, you need to pass all these process.
Okay. Yeah, my last question
someone was asking HF. Yes, it is internationally recognized. We are working globally. I told you we are right now we are offering programs in 57 countries, and participants from 57 countries are attending our programs, and there is no complaint till now that our certificate is not been accepted in any countries.
Okay. That brings me to the attention that if someone will be going for a degree course, then you proceed easily without facing any challenges with this paper, right?
Actually, this course, this cscmp, it is a professional credential. It is not any kind of academic level degrees. So that I'm not sure whether any university will give you exemptions for any academic degrees, because there is fully a professional credential. It means that there are a couple of criteria. After assessing those criteria, they will stamp you as a certified professional.
Okay. Well understood.
Thank you very much. Any question from any other person? Okay. If there is no other questions, thank you very much for joining. One humble submissions to you. If you feel that the course is really worthy for the professional, as the class will be starting from 1st of December, you can share through your timeline in the Facebook and LinkedIn. We have shared the flyer with you in the chat box. You can download it and you can share through your timeline so that your friends and networks will understand, will know about this course. And if they're interested, they can also take part from this course. That will help us and help you grow together. All right. So with that note, we can conclude it here today. Thank you very much once again for joining us, and thanks for your interest.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
Good night from my side.
Thank you.